In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see activity in a Dropbox folder. This process is straightforward and will help you keep track of changes made to your files. Let's dive in. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Dropbox. You can use any browser you like, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Just type Dropbox into the search bar and hit enter. You will see a list of search results appear on your screen. This step is crucial because it gets you to the Dropbox website where you can access your files and folders. Once you see the results, you're on your way to managing your Dropbox activity effectively. Next, click on the correct link to go to the Dropbox website. It is usually the first result, displaying the official Dropbox site. Be sure to look for the URL that starts with www.dropbox.com. This ensures you're accessing the legitimate site and not a misleading link. Clicking the right link is essential for your security and for the functionality of the platform. Now that you're on the Dropbox homepage, you're ready to log into your account. Now, log into your Dropbox account using your credentials. Enter your email and password in the designated fields, then click the Sign In button. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, be prepared to enter the verification code sent to your device. Logging in securely is important because it protects your files and personal information. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to your Dropbox dashboard, where all your files and folders are displayed. After that, navigate to and open the specific folder you want to audit. You can find your folders listed in the left sidebar of your dashboard. Click on the folder name to open it. This step is significant because it allows you to focus on the folder where you need to track activity. Once you're inside the folder, you will see all the files it contains, setting the stage for the next step. Next, click the Activity tab in the right sidebar panel. If you do not see the right sidebar panel, look for a small info icon, which is a circle with an eye, or find the arrow panel toggle in the top right corner to expand it. Accessing the Activity tab is crucial because it provides a detailed log of changes made to the folder. Once you click it, you will see a new section populated with information about recent activities, ensuring you can track everything efficiently. Finally, scroll through the chronological feed to see exactly who made a change, what action they took, and when it occurred. The feed will show a timeline of activities, making it easy to identify modifications or updates. This step is important as it allows you to monitor your files and understand the history of changes. By reviewing this feed, you can ensure all updates are appropriate and keep your collaborative efforts on track. With all these steps completed, you are now equipped to see activity in your Dropbox folder. This feature is incredibly useful for collaboration and maintaining control over your shared files. Thank you for following along, and I hope this helps you manage your Dropbox activities efficiently.